Hi there, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are. My name's Jack. I'm making this video basically, I'll cut to the chase. Roger Hayes, leader of the British Constitution Group, has been sentenced to 21 days in prison for non-payment of council tax, I believe. It's quite hard to get any. There's no official reports from, well, I say official, there's no dinosaur media reports out there on this. I mean, I've just been on InfoWars. It says here on InfoWars, it says he's been sentenced to 21 days in Liverpool prison following a cursory appearance before a magistrate on Monday. No members of the public or jury were present during sentencing after activist Hayes was disappeared by the police and brought to a secret court where there were no witnesses present. So, you know, I've heard people that, I don't want to call them ignorant people, but people who are a bit more unaware of situations, you know, they say to me, oh, no, we don't have secret courts, our government wouldn't do that. Well, it looks like our government does have secret courts, and I think them going after Roger Hayes is a bit silly, really, because I think they fail to recognise that every action will provoke an equal and opposite reaction. First law of physics, really. I thought these people running the country would have been clever enough to figure that out. So yeah, there's no information really on Roger's well-being. I mean, I don't understand why they've gone after Roger in particular, because, you know, he's one of the most prominent figures in the freedom movement in my country, and it just seems like, you know, I just can't believe they think they can go around doing this, you know, and I think there's not going to be a reaction. I mean, this is the main reason why I'm making this video. What I really want, I want other people's opinions on this matter. I want other people's opinions on council tax, because this 1992 Local Authority Funding Act, it's just statutory law basically. It's got no lawful merit to it or anything. I mean, has anyone got a legal binding contract binding them in the council in a two-party agreement to pay council tax? No, it's just deception, really. I mean, what they're spending on the money on, I don't know. You know, people say, oh, our tax goes to schools, hospitals, new roads, civil servants, etc., etc. Yeah, fine, okay, I accept that argument until Gordon Brown bailed out the banks, then underwrote the banks. Seems like we're just tied to debt and austerity now, and the government's borrowing money to pay for that stuff that people believe their tax is going on at interest, and we're paying off the loans and the interest. You know, it's quite clear that the government doesn't have the best interests of the British public at hand. Well, that shouldn't really be a surprise to anyone, really. But the question is, how do we go about reasserting our power? Because at the end of the day, people do have the power. We may not think we have the power, but the truth is far, far from that. We grant these people their power when we accept, and I think they're pretty much experimenting how much crap we'll take before we'll actually finally snap. So, you know, my thoughts go out to Roger and his family. I'm very, very much looking forward to what Roger has to say about his experience. I'm sure he will go on the record about that, and yeah, if I could get some people's opinions, responses on what they think about council tax, tax in general, the British Constitution Group, yeah, I'd be really looking to hear your opinions. I'd just like to say as well, of course, this is all my point of view. It's not it's just my point of view. I understand you've all got different points of views that converge and diverge. So yeah, if I could hear from you guys, that'd be great. Thanks for listening, and all the best to Mr. Roger Hayes and his family. Thank you. Thanks for watching.